everyone, I'm Billy. Last time I introduced you to a shop with more beginner-friendly items, but this one has more my racing stuff. So let's go right away.
After visiting the model shop last time, I would walk over to this little alley here. This little alley is quite interesting. You don't have to worry even if it rains. And in the middle of it, there's a newly opened shop selling discounted figures. So you might want to take a walk here. And then there's a model shop. There's also a shop specializing in remote controlled container trucks. And then there's a shop specializing in mini Zs. And after that, I'll really head towards my goal, which is inside the market, that mall. So now looking here, where is that mall hidden? It's right here. This mall, it has many floors, all with different remote controlled models. So everyone can come and take a look. So if you take the lift, the different floors from the 24th floor down to the 17th, 15th, 13th, and 3rd floors all have remote controlled models.
So I come to this 05 from time to time, and here is the owner, PC. So do you have anything you'd like to say to everyone? As far as I know, you sell a lot of Hobbywing products, right? Actually, we've been open for just over a year, not too long. It's just a few changes, yes, since we opened. Before that, because I was used to participating in competition. Yes, I've been in for years. Later on, I noticed you have a lot of trophies. So you opened this place. Actually, we mainly focus on racing stuff for now. Since I race with you, I know you're young and fast. Well, not that young anymore. So, do you have anything you'd like to say to people who play with remote control cars? Yes. Opening this shop is actually to hopefully help beginners. Returning to cars, maybe you can help them get faster, quickly, or for those who aren't too familiar with RC cars that want to improve their speed. I have a bit of experience and can share it. I've learned a lot along the way. Yes, I've learned a lot. From you too, you're really impressive. Let them exchange ideas. But I've heard that your stock is always well maintained. Yes, that's right. When you first come in, the main focus is on Hobbywing, which many friends are already using. We have a lot of products in stock and frequently restock. For beginners to advanced users, we have everything here. Another brand we rely on is a relatively new one, Royalty, which has been quite popular in recent years. Many world-class drivers and financial professionals are interested in it. In fact, in Hong Kong, you are the agent, so we tend to have a complete stock. Actually, I have been restocking continuously, but it sells out very quickly. However, if you were to compare these two brands, you wouldn't say which is better, right? Because both have been tried extensively and have their strengths. Of course, both are good, but I have a lot of confidence in them because I've always used their products. The feedback we receive is very positive, and indeed, they can compete well. That's right. Yes, well, this cabinet here seems to have a lot of modified parts. This brand, what can I say? It's a small brand, a subsidiary brand made in Hong Kong. Basically, there are many different car brands that have started their own businesses. I often buy things like Goose View, and also MI9, which is Snowmaster. Then below, there's Yuko, X-Ray, and others. Additionally, they also produce a lot of accessories, like these faces, for example. Several of them. There are also many things like battery checkers and such. I think people don't understand why there are so many second floor boards. Can you explain it? It's because apart from the original shapes, of the second floor boards, I can say that the Rico brand also develops many different types of second-hand boards. For example, this butterfly shape, even before many cars were released, they were already making this. The second floor boards, they actually try many different types of things to launch new products for users to try, adapting to different venues. That's right, it gives more choices. And friends who like to try different settings will be trying. You see, I often go to PYC, right? And we see people playing with motorcycles. I bought one, but I haven't really studied it well yet. And PC is just like that. They sell a lot. I heard this brand is quite suitable. It's also Victor Motorcycles, and it's produced by someone called Remodial. Actually, this bike has been out for several years. I've been riding motorcycles for over 10 years, so I've been playing for a long time, almost replacing the business model. The motorcycles are also for delivery, and now it's a board bike. Its mobility is completely different because in recent years, actually. After we opened the shop, actually, more and more people started playing with motorcycles. Previously, not many people were into it because, firstly, their knowledge about motorcycles wasn't sufficient, and they didn't know how to fix one. Yes, so later on I'll be talking about the group that's really good at playing with motorcycles on Mondays. We have a lot of customers buying from us because of the increase. Currently, at the PYC venue, most of them go there on Mondays, and now it seems like they've designated Mondays mostly for motorcycle test rides. So I share the channel with them and go to different places to ride, because most of the time, it's about street racing. Yes? But now, I see that they're doing really well. Very impressive. Many people are quite skilled, and more people are getting into it. Now, there's even a track and setting, like these tire configurations. Actually, the products we import are basically the best combinations we found after testing, and only then do we bring them in. You see, these are mainly for business, because the remote is essentially just a chassis. So you need to use some original parts for tuning, but if I ask you to help me build one, you would help, right? Yes, of course, you would come to the village to know, of course, I've tried your 05 tires. Have they been replaced now? We do have them, and we also have our own brand of tires. Yes, that's right, but we also sell other brands. For example, Solaris and others are available. So when I come, I would also buy from them. Buying a tire warmer? Yes, you can get these in 3 nights, basically racing equipment. Most of the things I have are Formula 1 5-time Warner. I bought them with you. It seems like, yes, Formula, that's right. Yes, I heard you're going back to the mainland. Racing in Foshan, right? Currently, I mostly go back there. In Foshan, there are 12 villages, so I also buy things for the 12 villages. Basically, there are some tire flavors, mainly focusing on cotton tires for hooks. In Hong Kong now, actually. It's good that more people are starting to play the 12 Brothers because it has a long line, the neck bridge, and the scalp, which is good. I know many people play under the bridge in the Hong Kong Island area. Plus, the carpet field in Foshan is quite convenient. Are all your meals suitable for the carpet? Yes, they are. Actually, they are suitable for the carpet field and also for playing in Wan Chai. That venue is quite popular, and people also play in the Yao Ma Tei venue. Even if the tires can't move, it's not a problem. You can see some other configurations. The 12 Brothers have pumps, get pumps, shell shovels, and GD cold, but when I play, I definitely lose to you. The 12 Brothers are so powerful, and if you have more time to try, you can do it. 05 also sells other brands, mainly accessories, like wires and tools, because some people might not have a complete set of tools, or there might be some missing. A bit more intricate, like some high-end chisels, knives, and those kinds of things. I have them here, too. Different types of pairs, not just for beginners. Even those who have been playing for a long time might need these. They are considered quite unique, consumable tools. Well, Yogo is very well equipped. Yes, So for myself, because I'm also using the MS450, the clips tend to be a bit long. Of course, other brands are also available, like AX, which is well stocked too. Yes. So for Marca, I also have some. And there are parts for ARC as well. Okay. So Roach here is mainly focused on the 12 series. So if you have any questions, you're in the right place. Actually, I like to dabble in everything, but I'm not particularly skilled. Wow. Speaking of which, you have to consider the timing, and I know you're really impressive. You play with four-wheel drives, like those four-wheel drives that cost tens of thousands. And I play more with American cars. Over there are some Tim Powers things, right? Omni. Yes, they are categorized. Actually, I have a display cabinet, and over here it has become the main brand of Chenpak City. They have motors, tools, electric pumps, and these drying agents. Basically, I have most of the series. I heard that Tim Boris has a new electric variant coming soon. Is that right? Yes, those will actually be restocked later. I hope everyone is looking forward to it, because I heard that the Timbers electric variant is even more impressive. The cabinet above mainly displays new products like the K12, the Iris, which is rare, the 6PV home, and the control badge. Also, these additional controls are available for purchase. Then, moving down one, so there are the batteries. So there's IP, Lostgram, and this is the Cab Electric. Okay, these are relatively affordable, yes. These are a bit more budget friendly. Mainly, they use IP and the Kaotian store at the entrance, but they can also be used for competitions. Because I'm using ID myself, actually, yes, there's no problem for me. The server is quite small, yes. Below that is the server, which most people are using. HD, so it's 12, even I'm using it, or it is, yes. Then there's the tuning server. Actually, I have many models, and this one is a bit cheaper. Yes, this one is called the Dio server. We are actually the Hong Kong agent. Have you used it? I'm actually using this server. The one I'm using is called DHS 108. Yes. And its specs are roughly similar to the Power HD S15, but it's more affordable. Yes, of course, the price will be negotiable. A lot, because when my friends come over, I introduce it to them to try out. There are different levels, yes, and the feedback is always very positive. Then there's this one, D's several, mainly for motorcycles, and there are many motorcycle accessories that I bring in. Yes, we've tried it, and I haven't brought in another one. Mainly using this one is fine. I think it's more powerful and faster. Actually, it's both powerful and fast, but the advantage is the delay. You need to adjust the angle, and you have to do it manually or use sandpaper disc. That's right. There's a little bit of QK. Yes. As for other things, moving down a level is water spreading. Yes. For water spreading, basically, I have all the MGV3, because after upgrading, there's 6G, bending, water spreading, MR3, and 3. Is there any Red Spider? Oh, Red Spider is sold out, but of course I will restock, and I'll buy it from you. Red Spider is really impressive. You need Panicon. Kima, these commonly used items, I will have them because when it comes to leveling up, it's about the machine. Yes, the machine has ISDC. And also this, Resurgence. Yes, because it's a new brand coming in actually. It's available, but it's not very popular in Hong Kong. Additionally, but it's quite reliable. Actually, I have several models, mainly the high-end models. I've used this one, these ones, right? Okay, a lot of people have used it. Yes, it's quite okay. The lowest tier is basically discounted items and retail products. This section here also includes second-hand electronics and second-hand cars. Is that yours? Some of them are. No, these are okay. Yes. Above that, there are some oils. Oils, oh, much more stuff. Oils. Some of them seem to be, yes, like that. Looking further up, there are some beginner level TGO frames. Of course, but is this DT4 selling well? It's okay because it's a new model, right? It's electric. I've heard, yes, because in recent years it's become popular again with competitions, right? But at the bottom, it seems like the shell is already painted, so you don't need to paint it. I haven't done an unboxing, but many people are interested because the shell is already painted. You just need to apply the decals. Yep, and you can choose between red and blue. It's really super convenient, yes. So this is the chassis of the mysterious car, and then with pen and paper, this dogfighter back in our days. Things we dreamed of but couldn't buy. So I mentioned Z87870874, and here are some shells. I would rather, here it is. And in this section, there's the 12 shell, G shell. What's the latest trend? Actually, it's the Monboats M20. Yes, all of these are from Tianxi. And over here is tuning these past 2 days. And these are Twister shells. Yes, I have all of them. Ultra, light, all complete. Then there's Beast. This section is the Beast building. How would you choose between these two? Actually, I use the second generation of Twitter myself, but that one is very popular. A lot of people have played it, and there's not much time to test drive. So I use more mainstream things, the most understandable. Yes, I understand. Well, of course, you might need it, and here it's quite popular. Basically, everyone in the mainland who knows me has it. Yes. Dear friends, let me first declare that, although PC is my friend, I won't specifically promote him. When I go to his shop, I will still buy things like any other customer. The model shop industry, it's actually quite unique. It thrives when clustered together, much like women's clothing stores. As consumers, I hope you can be more cautious, compare prices before purchasing, and don't rush. Additionally, I hope everyone can support us more.